tips and tricks. Today I'm going to introduce to a new operating system called Bionic Pup. So this is actually Linux distro. If you don't know what is Linux, I'm gonna just give a brief description. So I wonder if you have ever wondered, is there an operating system which is free? I mean, you spend around $200 on Windows or maybe Windows 10. But this is a totally free operating system which you can download on your computers. And it is a very big software library. Linux has a very big software library. For example, in Windows, you can only use Visual Studio Code. I mean, for writing programs and stuff. Here you can use a lot more things. So today we are gonna just get a brief overview of this operating system. So this is actually Linux distro called Bionic Pup. So actually, sorry for this small window. It won't increase. I don't know what to do to increase. So we'll start off. So actually, I've cleaned the desktop. So here's the desktop. So this is the touchpad configuration, desk manager, tray indicators, clock set managers, GUIs, screensaver control, configure Z-lock screen locking, Compton, choose locale control localization, psync time server synchronization, setting date and time and setting time zones, puppy X set of properties of X. That you can even do font viewers. And then you go into the system, which has some boot manager, the info, the hardware info, the process viewer, the G-parted partition. For example, I have disk management in Windows 10. This is the format floppy disking. And then you have system setup. You can do a bunch of setups. And then you have utility, the utility section where you can find file difference managers. You can even find virtual keyboards in this thing. File system means, mainly it shows about a file system. You can actually mount and unmount drives. You may have seen in MS-DOS. Of course, if you were born in that time, in MS-DOS, you could have seen, have to mount drives. Usually, you start with the letter Z, Y, X, so you don't mess up with C and D drives and stuff. And then graphics, take a shot, like that. Then you get document. You can make documents. You can have business. You can even make a calculator, which is very useful actually. Okay, so it's quit. You can quit it easily. And then have business uses, personal uses, network uses, internet. Like this is the web browser. But actually, don't use this because it's not secure. These, and you can get some games and fun. Help is just you have to click. And exit, actually you can get the reboot puppy logout. And then yeah, it's more like a menu. And now in the previous videos I have seen all about Git Bash. So this is also like Git Bash only. Wait a minute. I don't know, I by mistake started pressing G's all over the place. So let's close it and restart. Yeah, now we have a fresh page. Now you can type pwd. Sorry. Type pwd. You do actually pwd, which gives you the directory. I don't know why is it closing down like that. Why does it not type D for me? I don't know, it's opening a new one. Wait. Kill. Yes, kill it. Yeah, now I start new. Ah man, the game creates a new window.